Okay, first we need to open the origin, and it will be looks like this later.
Right.
But if you want to start from the beginning, just like new project. Yeah, new project. And it will be like this, have X and Y. So usually we get the data from the research center.
Right.
It's like this, and I just show you how to conduct with the carbon, because it has a lot of elements. So just copy from the Excel.
So for this one, it's only for carbon,
Yeah,
and then later you just do for the different components.
it depends what you need,
Okay.
because I also use carbon. That's why. So after we copy and paste, just drag and choose this
Plot.
one.
Yeah.
Line. Just click OK here,
Okay.
and this is the original result from the analysis.
Right.
So we click this one, analysis, and fix and baseline, and pick analyzer and open direct. So after like this, because we need to make the baseline
Right.
like
Flat.
yeah, flat. So this one we need to just choose manual, and we need to choose the fit pick.
Fit fix.
Yeah.
Okay.
Others no need. Just next, and here we need to choose the user defined, because we want to make the baseline.
Right.
And here we need to cancel the checklist,
Okay.
and we add the point by ourselves. We just choose here.
Approximate.
Yeah,
Okay.
by double click, because if just one click, it's just like this, not have. So
I
need
see.
to double click. Usually in carbon spectrum, it will be have the 3 main peaks. Usually, but in here in the result, just have the obvious, just have 2 peaks. It's usually around here.
Yeah, it has one small shoulder.
Yeah, so no, don't put the baseline here.
Okay.
Just choose here, and at least we chose 8 point.
Okay.
But more than 8 is okay. Click done.
Right.
And just next.
Okay.
And after this, this one no need to change.
Okay.
Just next. In here we need to checklist.
Auto subtract and rescale.
Yeah,
okay.
and subtract
the baseline.
now.
Okay.
And the baseline will be changed.
Okay.
Like this. And click next. In here we need to choose with which peaks we want.
Okay.
And we need to cancel this one also, because we want to add by ourselves.
Okay.
So before you choose this one, usually we read the previous papers about which peaks belong to what kind,
component.
Yeah, what kind of bond. So usually this around 284 until 286 is the C double bond C. So that's why, because my sample for this one is already become torrefied, so it has a lot of C double bond C. It's also need to double click, because just if just one click,
it will just place the marker.
Yeah.
Okay.
And as I mentioned before, this one also supposed to be have the peaks, and we also can see this like a little bit
shoulder.
Have the shoulder, right?
Yeah.
So just randomly pick around here.
Okay.
And the third one is here.
Okay.
So it's already done and done. And this one no need to change, just next. You need to wait, and the new
peak will appear.
So because the original result is the black one,
Right.
and the red one is like the accumulative from the 3 peaks.
Three peaks.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
And the
the
blue one
blue
is the new one added by the
Yeah.
software. Okay.
And we need to fit
Fit
control. Like for the fit control, actually we can like have 1 or 2, or it belong like it depends on us which peak we think is already good, and we just checklist. Like for the baseline, it's supposed to be checked because it already no need to change the position. I mean the position. So for this case, I think the first one is almost the same with the red one, right? So just checklist the first pick, the 3 of
The number 1.
yeah, the 3 of number, because have 2 2 2 and 3 3 2. And when we want to change the position of the second and third picks, we choose this one. Just click the one iteration, it will be moved like this,
Oh.
or once again it will be moved like this.
Okay. Okay.
So like the
shoulder there.
the shoulder is like more fit with the red one, right? But
So
if
you reduce.
like if you don't like this one, just can back to
Initial parameters.
yeah,
Oh.
the
Okay.
first one like this. So it depends on how you draw your result. Depends
How you want to portray your
Yeah.
results. Okay.
So for example, we just choose this one. Maybe it's already okay. And if you want, for example, the number 2 is already okay, and you want to change the first pick again, you need to like
Click them
click
again,
this
right?
one
Re-click
and-
and do again,
yeah, click,
and unclick the other.
and you can see the first pick will be moved like this or like this. So it depends of what we want. Maybe like this or like this. I think it's better.
Okay.
So if it's supposed to be takes a lot of time to make it more
to adjust,
yeah,
right? To make it look
adjust,
more.
but it's because we just learn, so it's like okay. So if we think our pick is already okay, and we just click okay.
Okay. So that the one that will remain will be the red one, right?
All
Or
will
the
be
black.
here.
All of them will be
yeah,
here.
all of them will be here, but the one that we want to emphasize is the blue one, because we make it to make it difference
Right.
between them. And after this, click finish. If like this dialog, just okay.
Okay.
And it has the report, but the one that we need to get the figure, just click on this
Okay.
this dialog, double click also. Okay, so if like this, the figure is not really clear, right? So just double click on the picture, and you can see the red one is the accumulative of the 3 picks. So usually I make it just like the art,
Right.
but actually like usually just make
try
it,
to see what fits best for.
yeah, like make it more obvious,
more bold,
yeah.
so it can be more obvious. Okay.
And usually this one is the
Original.
result, and we choose not just line but line,
scatter line
yeah,
or some other
line,
different design.
yeah, line
Okay.
and symbol. Usually we also like this. You no need to fill. Like this.
Okay.
But it's like up to you, but
Right,
usually
right.
I read the paper, they make like this.
Okay.
And for the three peaks, we need to make it different because all is green now.
Mm-hmm.
For example, the first one just green is okay, but we need to fill the area under curve. But choose not the normal one, because if we choose the normal one, it will be
Solid.
solid until
Until
here.
the okay.
Yeah. Because we just want to fill the area in the
under the
first peak.
baseline,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
So we choose the inclusive
Broken missing
broken, yeah,
values. Okay.
this one. And maybe we can change the pattern, not the black one, the same green.
Mm-hmm.
And some of them maybe change to color.
Okay. Like gradient.
Where the gradient or something, it's okay. So
Okay.
it will be like this.
Mm-hmm.
It's also the same with
The second peak.
the second, but we need to change
The color.
And also this one, the same inclusive.
Mm-hmm.
No.
The black solid pattern.
Yeah. This one. Okay. And also the same for the last. Inclusive.
Mm-hmm. The pattern, yeah. Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
it will be just like this actually, but we need to make like
Make it.
the name, what is this peak means, what is this
Mhm.
peak means. In origin, just go to the text,
Text.
here,
Okay.
yeah, and click here. See like that. It's supposed to be.
Oh, okay. And you can move it manually. Okay.
Just move it manually. And for this, I think for the XPS, no need the legend here.
Okay, so you can just delete. Okay.
To make the graph here, need to double click in the
Line. Yeah.
line.
It's like basically a little bit like text plot.
Yeah. For this one, right time, and we just we checklist this one,
Mm-hmm.
but we
None.
because
No measures, right?
Yeah, no
Okay.
the same with the top,
The top.
one.
Okay.
Show the axis and this, but
None. Okay. It's just for the border. Okay.
And usually for this, just okay. Usually the XPS, the
Mhm.
y-axis also no need to
No need
have
to
the
fix
no need to have
the scale.
the text and also the labels.
Minor ticks. Good.
Oh,
Scale, maybe? Oh, there we go. None.
just click whatever something else.
Yeah, I understand.
For this one, just delete. And for the X, usually is binding in it. EP.
Oh, okay.
And usually also in the papers, some of papers, they will make it reverse the x-axis. I don't know why.
From bigger
For the
to smaller.
reason, yeah, for the reason I don't know why, but they just did like that.
Right.
So
And there's no way to reverse, or you just swap
yeah,
the numbers.
just swap the number.
299 and 278. 9 and 278.
So it will be look like this.
Oh.
If you also want to add some like the arrow also, can
You
for
can just-
example for this one, because it's not really,
Right.
we cannot really put in the
Mhm.
middle one. Just copy and paste and go here. Is the CO, I think, but for
I get
example,
the idea.
yeah,
I get the idea.
the result, it depends on what sample do you want to
Right.
make, and usually we also make the name here, what kind of analysis
Sample.
here.
Oh. I thought it was a sample name.
Because it's the spectrum from the carbon in the spin 1s.
Oh, okay.
So usually they put here also like this.
That's from the electrical bond,
from
right?
the result in the like for example this one also, and 1s, so it depends on what result that you get.
Okay.
But this one is the sulfur 2p, so you can just put there to make it
Okay,
clear.
the specification.
Mm.
Okay, I understand.
So far it's just like this.
Okay, all right.
It's okay.
Yeah. Do you mind if you can send me one of these files
Okay.
so I can practice?
Yeah.
So maybe this one I can just save as, and then I can open it on my computer to practice.
Oh, okay. You mean
Yeah.
this one?
Yeah, because I think we saved it before, right? As 11 or something like that.
Really? No. It's for the other one.
Oh, just trial or
Mhm.
Jameer or anything. It doesn't matter. Yeah. Do you mind if I get a copy of your Excel file so I can practice to do the other
Yeah,
ones?
it's okay.
Yeah.
I can
I'll
send to you
just
also.
see how-
So
That's
okay,
basically
right?
it, right? Okay.
Okay,
Yeah. Thank you very
bye-bye.
much.